Ever hear about our smart belt? No? Get ready for some comfort shock. 32 adjustments instead of 5 holes. Ratchet and track. 5 times smaller adjustment steps for exact fit. Like nothing you ever had before. Easy to adjust on the go. Never loose, never tight, always perfect. The best Italian leather at an affordable price because it's a Kickstarter. Top grain leather vegetable tan. The best craftsmanship. Hyper luxury level, down to earth price. Audited and serialized for authenticity. 3 colors. 2 finishes, 2 widths of leather strap. In addition to the 3 usual colors, this year, on backer's request, the suede leather smart belt. 2 types of buckles in 3 finishes with a simple and elegant shape to it unique to us. Plenty of choices. Don't know your size? Getting it for someone else? Don't worry, it's customizable. The only belt with a Kevlar core, longer lasting for sure. We're the Kickstarter project that always delivers. The only project with 96% happy backers and a money-back guarantee. Have a look at what our backers are saying.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show that these are the best belts that you could get out there in the market. Just go for it. Don't think. Get it.
So I got my belt about 6 months ago and I love this thing. One of the things I love is that there's been no wear and tear on my belt, which has always been my biggest problem. And the other is just how easy it is to adjust it. I find myself, when I'm sitting down, I'll loosen it up a little bit. When I stand up, I can give it a good snug adjustment. It's super easy. I love this thing.
Verified backer of the Smart Belt 3. I've been wearing this belt every single day for 10 months. Not a mark. "15 seconds doesn't do this belt justice to tell you how amazing it is. I would go through belts every 3 to 6 months, because you know what happens when the buckle tears the leather, and they're not cheap. Yet for this, not a mark for 10 months.
It's not easy to find a belt that matches your illustrious blue beard, but Smart Belt delivers. It's easy to put on, and I like it a lot, and I want more, so please make more in different colors, even though blue is amazing. Thank you.
What I like about Smart Belt 2, innovative buckles, fine Italian leathers, multiple colors, and just pure performance and convenience.
Hello everybody, the Smart Belt 2.0 is the best belt I ever had because it fits.
It's Corey, and I was a backer in the Kickstarter Smart Belt 3.0. It's been working out great for me. It's a very good quality belt, and it can accommodate me for when I swell up after Halloween and Christmas time. And now that I've lost a little bit of weight, I can cinch it real easily, and it works fantastic.
Smart Belt 2.0, great leather and easy to use.
Hi, I'm wearing the Smart Belt, and this is actually one of the absolute smartest belts you can ever have. It's easy to take off, and it's also so easy to put on. I love this click. As you know, I mean, you can have the different sizes during the day or during the night. I've used it a lot. It's holds on perfectly, perfect fit every time. I just love it.
This is my Smart Belt 2.0, which I got almost half a year ago, and since then I wore him almost every day. I'm still happy with the quality and the functionality, and a bit sad that I haven't bought one more.
Hi guys, my name is Ken, back from Hong Kong. I backed the Smart Belt 1.0 back in 2017, and I thought, one belt would be enough, so I skipped to 2.0, and that was my biggest regret. And I compensate that by backing 2 more for the Smart Belt 3.0 in 2019.
Hi, my name is Graham Bailey from Dublin in Ireland. Just wanted to say I love my Smart Belt. It's a really excellent belt. The only one I'll buy from here on in actually. They're very, very attractive, really usable, and very hard wearing, and I love the fact that you can adjust them as you go throughout your day. So I'm going to highly recommend these belts. I think they're absolutely wonderful. As I say, the only belt I'll be buying from here on out. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Christopher from Sweden. This is a Smart Belt. 2018 I bought my first Smart Belt. 2019 I bought my second. I will surely get the next one.
The Smart Belt 3.0 is the best belt I've ever owned. I love the colour, the texture, the brush chrome on the buckle. It always fits because of the micro adjustment system, and the quick release is easy to operate.
I love my Smart Belts. I've got 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. They don't scuff when I put my phone on or my work badge. They fit well, easy on, easy off. I can't wait to get some more.